dates were determined due to Swift's, quote, pre-existing professional.
After Justin Baldoni's attorney said that Taylor Swift would sit for a deposition in the simmering legal battle between him and his It Ends With Us co-star Blake Lively, the pop stars fired back. Swift's lawyer asserted on Friday that she has no material role in the case and did not agree to be deposed, contradicting what Baldoni's team claimed. Baldoni's attorney said on Thursday that she requested an agreement to take Swift's deposition in late October due to the singer's pre-existing professional obligations. Lively's attorney wants the judge to deny the deadline extension and accused Baldoni of seeking to bring Swift into litigation to generate a media spectacle in this matter. The singer would only provide a deposition in the case if Baldoni's legal team can convince U.S. District Judge Louis Lyman to extend a deadline for her to provide testimony. It's the latest twist in the high-profile legal saga between Lively and Baldoni. Dueling lawsuits between the It Ends With Us stars have raged in New York federal court following the awkward promotional campaign for their 2024 film that Baldoni also produced and directed. Lively sued Baldoni and his studio in New York court last year, alleging she was sexually harassed on set and that he led a campaign to destroy her reputation. Baldoni countersued the Gossip Girl star, but his defamation lawsuit was dismissed in June. In legal documents obtained by the BBC's U.S. media partner CBS, the Jane the Virgin actor's attorney on Thursday accused Lively of misleadingly implying that Baldoni and his Wayfarer Studios requested a blanket 30-day extension of the Discovery cutoff date. In fact, Wayfarer parties requested an agreement solely to take the deposition of Taylor Swift during the week of October 20th to 25th due to Ms. Swift's pre-existing professional obligations, his attorney Ellen S. Garofalo said. Garofalo asked the court to modify its scheduling order for the sole purpose of accommodating third-party witness Taylor Swift, whom she says agreed to appear for a deposition but would not be able to do so before October 20th. Swift is due to release her 12th studio album, The Life of a Showgirl, on October 3rd, announcing the drop last month on her fiancé Travis Kelce's podcast. In response, Lively's attorney Michael J. Gottlieb on Friday sent a letter to Judge Lyman asking the judge to deny Baldoni and his co-defendants' request for a deadline extension. Gottlieb said Baldoni's team repeatedly sought to bring Ms. Swift into this litigation to fuel their relentless media strategy. In this latest effort, the Wayfarer defendants assert, though notably without evidence, that Ms. Swift has supposedly agreed to sit for a deposition sometime between October 20th to 25th, some 3 weeks after the close of fact discovery in this matter, Gottlieb wrote. Gottlieb added Baldoni's team has not come close to establishing good cause for their requested extension. He said Baldoni's team did not contact Swift's lawyer with details about the deposition until earlier this week and accused the defendants of an astounding lack of diligence, as well as disrespect to Swift's privacy and schedule. In a separate filing on Friday, Swift's lawyer J. Douglas Baldridge wrote to the judge saying, "Since the inception of this matter, we have consistently maintained that my client has no material role in this action." He added that Swift did not agree to a deposition but would comply if she is forced into a deposition. He noted that they first heard about the deposition 3 days prior and that she would comply if she is forced into a deposition by the court. However, he reasserted that she can only be deposed during the week of October 20th because that is the only time her schedule can accommodate the time required. In May, Baldoni's lawyers tried to obtain messages between Lively and the singer directly from Swift by sending subpoenas to the Grammy Award winner and her legal team. But the subpoenas were dropped after Swift's legal team objected that they amounted to an unwarranted fishing expedition. Lively's team applied to prevent Baldoni obtaining the messages, arguing they were irrelevant. In June, the judge ruled that messages between Lively and Swift can be handed over to Mr. Baldoni, saying that communications between the friends about the environment on the It Ends With Us film set are